Good morning, dear friends. Today we learn about the selection of recombinants by two methods, that is antibiotic resistance screening and blue-white screening. Dear friends, question arises, what is recombinants? Recombinants are the bacteria which are purposefully developed by insertion of vector such as plasmid. This plasmid is incorporating our gene of interest. This is our gene of interest. Gene of interest. This gene of interest is purposefully inserted into the bacteria by vector. So these bacteria are known as recombinants. When we transform the bacteria with these inserts, then there may be a probability that insert could not be properly inserted into the bacterium. So what are the possibilities? There are three possibilities, that are bacteria without plasmid called non-recombinant, bacteria having plasmid but no gene of interest. Here is no gene of interest, so it is also known as non-recombinant. But another one is there which is of our interest, that is what we called it as recombinant, which having our gene of interest. So to trace this recombinant we use two methods, that is antibiotic resistance and blue-white screening. Primary screening of the recombinant done with the help of these two methods, that is antibiotic resistance screening and blue-white screening. Let's see what is antibiotic resistance screening. Antibiotic, as you know, it is the property developed by a bacteria to kill another bacteria. So this antibiotic property is due to the presence of particular plasmid inside the bacteria. Suppose this is a bacteria which is having a plasmid. Let's zoom the plasmid. Suppose here is a gene. Here is another gene. Suppose it is a tetracycline resistance gene and it is ampicillin resistance gene. So these two genes confirm the property of antibiotic resistance. So if the plasmid is having tetracycline resistance gene and ampicillin resistance gene, then this bacterium shows or grow in ampicillin resistance, in ampicillin medium, as well as in tetracycline medium. So these bacteria will develop colonies on ampicillin plus tetracycline resistant medium. So the medium which is having ampicillin as well as tetracycline, both medium will able to support the growth of these bacteria. So this property is particularly used for the screening of the recombinants. How? Suppose this is our gene of interest I am very sorry, my marker is not working properly. Suppose this is our gene of interest, gene, which we want to insert into the vector, just like PBR322. If we insert this gene into the vector, they inserted properly into their restriction site. Particularly the restriction site which is present here, suppose, is in between tetracycline resistance gene. So if this gene is inserted inside the tetracycline resistance gene, the property of tetracycline resistance get lost, and so the bacteria will not grow on tetracycline medium but grow on ampicillin resistant medium. So we can understand easily by this example how the recombinants are screened. But if you want to isolate a recombinant of our particular gene of interest, then we can directly screen with the help of ampicillin and tetracycline. Suppose there are three plates. These plates, suppose these are having, in first plate there is no antibiotic, no ampicillin, no tetracycline. There is another plate which is having ampicillin and another plate which is having tetracycline. In first plate, all the colonies will grow, but in ampicillin resistant plate, only the colonies which show resistance to ampicillin will grow. In tetracycline resistance, both the colonies which is having only tetracycline resistance property will grow. Our gene of interest is inserted inside this vector, in particularly tetracycline resistance. So our recombinants will not grow in the tetracycline resistance plate, but it will grow in ampicillin resistant strain, and it will also grow in the plate which is don't having ampicillin as well as tetracycline. So it is important to screen our recombinant bacteria with the help of fourth plate, that is which is having ampicillin plus tetracycline. If in this plate only the colonies which are grow with ampicillin resistance but not with the tetracycline resistance, so these colonies compared to the master plates called as recombinants. This is recombinant 1, this is recombinant 2, and in this way it is gets selected with the help of this method called as antibiotic resistance. So it shows resistance to particular antibiotic, and that property is utilized for the selection of the bacteria. Now let's move towards another method, that is what we call it as blue-white screening.